Hi, in front of me is Huawei P Smart 2021 NFC, and today I would like to show you how you can customize icon style on this device. Firstly, open Teams. Now click on Skip at the top right corner and tap on Me at the bottom right corner. Then choose Customize under Services, select Icons, pick one of the options, for example this one, and instead of Apply, choose Customize. Now select style that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it and save it by tapping at the top right corner. Now when I go back, I can see that style of my icons was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!